Press duplicating key button. Select tubular to enter key data. Original key can open cylinder.
Yeah.
Use the number 4 jaw tubular key clamp to fix the original tubular key. Please note that you need to do calibration on number 4 jaw tubular key clamp before cutting this key. Take out the original key and fix a new key blank on number 4 jaw tubular key clamp. Press Cut button to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and the new key. Take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing!